Hey guys, welcome back to another video on Alistair Hans, where the fear is always here. Today, I'll be setting up, demoing, and unboxing the Spirit Halloween 2026 Crackles animatronic. Oh. Alright guys, so this is everything in this box. I'm gonna pull all this out. It is a sliding box. Here are his stakes, because he is outdoor rated. Here is his big shoulder voice box, all that parts. It's this huge part. Here is one of his arms. Here we have his feet, which I really do enjoy. Only thing I wish if these were painted black, but that's always easily fixable. I love how big the shoe is, because we usually see those flat, plasticky shoes that Spirit does for clowns, but this one is a little bit different, which I do like a lot about this. Now, this guy is my first prop for 2026, which I'm super excited about him. Once I saw him, I fell in love with him. Here is his back piece, I'm pretty sure, or his ribs that they use. Here is his clothing, really nice quality clothing, especially this blood right here. I just enjoy that part of that. That's the blood part so much. Here's instructions, pretty big, decently lengthy, but that is always a good sign usually that this is well made. Here is his adapter, which I've heard he has a really long cord. And then here is his head. I will be taking this out. Oh my goodness, guys, just look at this. This is super, super cool. This tape is holding his head together. I enjoy everything about this face, especially these cracks right here. Now, I don't know if that's should be painted black, but it is okay either way. I can still see the cracks. His hair is a little bit weird right now, but that is okay. You could just spike it up. It's very easy to move. But here is his face. So now let's get into the setup. All right, guys, before we set up, here are his hands. Very, very small hands. I was not expecting them to be this small, but they are kind of doll-like, which is kind of, I like that in a way. It gives a creepy aspect. This probably goes over one of his legs. Taking all of this out, and then we finally get to see his full motor voice box, which this thing is humongous. Just look at this. Super, super big. Alright guys, we just put his shoe on. Now we're gonna click that in. Alright guys, here is the second leg. We're just gonna put this on. Alright guys, here's his two foams. Make sure this hole is facing backwards so you don't see that at all. Alright guys, here I'm putting on his pants over the foam. Make sure you do that. And the tag is also facing backwards on his pants. I like these pants because some of the Spirit pants, they usually have a couple holes, but this one just has one hole. So you just know it'll slide, the pants will slide in like right away if you do it right. Alright guys, now we're gonna put on his control box. This is always for me the trickiest part, because I want to make sure it goes correctly in. There we go. Alright guys, now I'm putting the pants over the hips. Alright guys, so right now I'm putting the clothing over the control box. I am just doing, I'm gonna Velcro it right now just so it stays together. We're gonna get a quick front view on Crackles. Alright guys, I just love how Crackles looks just right now so far. I think Spirit did an amazing job on the clothing. They really nailed it down. Very astonishing. You can see all this rusting. I think that they did just like I said, an astonishing job on the clothing, the detail. They didn't have to do all of this, but it makes the character come to life more, really expresses Crackles overall as this rusty character. And I think this looks very, very cool. Alright guys, I'm putting now for my right of Crackles' arm in. And I need to come back here. I'm gonna find it. I'm gonna pull it. I'm gonna open the Velcro up a little bit. And then I usually do a little bit of guessing for this part sometimes, but I have enough view on it so I can just easily put it in just like that. All right, guys, we just put the other arm in. Now we're gonna put the hand in. Like I said, I just love the hand overall. It's not really detailed, but they do show all the little aspects of the hand. Here it is compared to my face. Now there is a cotter pin that I have to use, so I had to take it out. We're gonna put it in just like that, and then you're gonna wanna put the cotter pin in so you make sure the hand doesn't fall out. It's just an extra safety precaution Spirit does, just like that. All right, guys, my brother is now gonna put on Crackles' head. Here is how he looks without the head. Now you can see my brother's putting on the head. I'm gonna help him out a little bit. All right, go ahead, push down. There we go. Super, super cool. Just look at his face. All right, guys, so the reason he's outdoor rated is because of mainly the wires. These are kind of like carnival cars. They have these little cap. They go over it, so make sure if it rains, water doesn't go over the wires. Now there is a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different colors. So make sure you get all the different colors. All right, guys, now we are putting on his neck type brace. I don't really know what it's called. Collar, neck collar, there we go. There's a lot of nice Velcro for this one, so you make sure you can cover the whole neck. If we get a better view up here, now you can see everything's mainly covered. I'll go over that. But this is how he looks overall right now. Now let's go on into the demo. Here's his daytime demo.
I saved the grand finale just for you! Now try not to scream too much!
We're gonna let him go one more time.
Something's missing, but the show must go on! I'll tell you what's missing. A few more victims! I'm so happy you're here! I'm so excited, I could burst! Surprise! Now it's time for the real show! I saved the grand finale just for you! Now try not to scream too much!
Overall, guys, I just want to thank you so much for watching this video. If you watched it all the way through, I thank you guys so much. We are right now 2 away from 600 subscribers, which is super exciting. We were just at 500. Now we're almost at 600, so hopefully you're watching this video and like, hey, I should subscribe. So hopefully you decide to subscribe. This guy is amazing. I'm so excited to show you guys what I have in store for him for this year, and what other stuff I have coming this year. Overall, I rate this guy a 9 out of 10, only because this side is not painted black, but that's easily fixed, and it's not that big of a deal overall. I think Spirit did such a great job in designing him. Even his little ribbons, they're so glittery, and I think his outfit and him overall is just amazing. What a great clown prop. Thank you guys so much for watching. And remember, I'm Master Hans. This is where the fear is always here. Stay Halloweeny.